Learnera Academy welcomes you all. This is Suja from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. In this session, I would like to discuss few multiple choice questions of CS8392 Object-Oriented Programming subject. The second unit is Inheritance and Interfaces. Now we can see few MCQ questions. The first question is, which keyword is used to inherit a class or abstract class in Java? Java allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class or abstract class. This property is called inheritance. To inherit from a class, we have to use the extends keyword. So the correct answer is option A, extends. The second question is, string is a dash. In Java, the string class provides different methods to perform operations on a given string. Hence, the correct answer is option C, predefined class. That is, string is a predefined class. Next question is, final keyword can be used with. In Java, the final keyword is used to denote constants. That means the value cannot be modified in the future. The final keyword can be used with variables, methods, and classes. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Okay. Next question is, which keyword is used to declare an interface in Java? An interface is declared by using the interface keyword. So the correct answer is option B, interface. Okay, the next question is, which is the correct way to inherit and implement the interface? Consider an example interface is animal and a class is lion that wants to implement interface. When a class wants to implement an interface, we have to use implements keyword. So the correct answer is option A, class lion implements animal. Next question is, can we declare an interface as final? If we make the interface final, we cannot override or implement its methods. Hence, the answer is option B, no. Next question is, a class inherits an interface using which keyword? To inherit the abstract methods of interface, a class has to implement an interface. So, the keyword to implement an interface is implements. Next question is, if class B is subclassed from class A, then which is the correct syntax in Java? The correct syntax is option B, that is, class B extends A of. Next question is, the clone of method generates a duplicate copy of the object, true or false? You have to find. Object cloning is a way to create exact copy of an object. The clone of method of object class is used to clone an object, hence it's true. The 10th question is, which is correct option about Java interface? The first option, interface is used to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. It's correct. The second option, object of an interface cannot be created. Correct. The third option, an interface can extend another interface. That's also correct. Okay. Now we can check the last option. Interface can be declared final. If the interface is declared final, then its method cannot be implemented. So this is wrong. So the correct options are A, B and C. Next question is, what is the use of final keyword in Java? The first option, when a class is made final, its subclass cannot be created. It's correct. Second option, when a method is final, it cannot be overridden. It's also correct. The third option, when a variable is final, it can be assigned value only once, is correct. The fourth option, when a variable is final, its value can be modified. This is wrong because when a variable is declared final, its value is constant, that is, it cannot be modified. Okay, next question is, which of the following is true about inheritance in Java? That is, the options are private methods are final, protected members are accessible within a package, and inherited classes outside the package. Then we cannot override private methods. So all these things are true about inheritance. So the correct answer is all the above. Next question is, which are true about super keyword? The first option, super dot variable name, refers to the variable in the parent class. It's correct. The second option, super of invokes the constructor of the parent class. It's also correct. The third option, super dot method name, refers to the method of parent class. That's also correct. And the last option, super of should not be used in inheritance. This is wrong. Actually, super of can be used in inheritance. So the correct answers are option A, B and C. Now we can see the next question. Which inheritance in Java programming is not supported? Java supports single inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. It does not support multiple inheritance using classes, but it supports multiple inheritance through interfaces. So the answer is option A, multiple inheritance using classes. It's only not supported in Java. Next question is, what is subclass in Java? A class that is derived from another class is called subclass, also called derived class or extended class or child class. So the answer is option A, that is, a subclass is a class that extends another class. Next question is, order of execution of constructors in Java inheritance is dash. Constructors always execute from top to down, that is from superclass to subclass. So the answer is option A, superclass to subclass. Okay, now we can see the next question. Advantage of inheritance in Java programming is, the options are code reusability, class extendability, save development time, all of the above. Actually, these are all the advantages of inheritance. So the correct answer is all the above, option D. Next question is, which of the following is true statement? Let me see the options. The first option, a class can extend only one class but can implement many interfaces. It's true. Second option, an interface can extend many interfaces. It's also true. The third option, an interface can implement another interface. This is wrong. The fourth option, an interface can implement a class. It's also wrong. So the correct answers are option A and B. Now we can see the next question. Which class cannot be subclassed? We can derive a subclass from the object class, abstract class. Even we can create child class from another child class. But we cannot create subclass from the final class. So the answer is option A, final class. Next question, which is false statement? First option, final class cannot be inherited. It's correct. The second option, final method can be inherited. It's also true. Third option, final method can be overridden. It's wrong. Because final methods can be inherited in the subclass, but it cannot be overridden or implemented. And the last option is final variable of a class cannot be changed. That's also true. So the answer is option C. This only false statement. Next question is, to prevent a class to be inherited or extended, the class should be dash. Should be a final class. So option A. Next question is, which of these can be used to fully abstract a class from its implementation? Since interface has only abstract methods, it's used to fully abstract a class. So the correct answer is option C, interfaces. Next question is, what does an interface contain? Interface contains only method declarations. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the standard collection class implements this dynamic array? ArrayList supports dynamic arrays that can grow as needed. So the answer is option C, ArrayList. The last question is, in which string class function returns the number of characters in a string? Length of function gives total number of characters in a string. So the answer is option A, length of. I hope this session helps you all. Thank you.